Hi everyone, welcome to KSP Knowledge Hub. I'm Kalpana Patel, and today we are starting our first episode of Export and Import Simplified for Beginners. Have you ever held a product in your hand and wondered, how did this travel all the way from another country to reach me? A few years ago, I asked the same question when I bought a small kitchen gadget that said Made in Japan. That was the moment I realized that every product around us has a journey of how businesses from different countries connect with each other. And that journey is called export and import. Let me share a small story. A friend of mine in Jaipur makes beautiful hand block printed bed sheets. For years, she sold them only at local exhibitions. One day, someone from France visited her stall, loved her designs, and placed a small trial order. That one order opened doors she never imagined. Today, she sends her products to Europe and the Middle East, and her income has multiplied. That is export, sending products from India to the world. Now think of your phone, chocolates, home appliances, or the car you drive. Most of them come from outside India. That is import. Export and import together form a highway that connects the whole world. Now you may think, why should I care? Because this is a huge opportunity. A student, a homemaker, a working professional, or a small business owner, anyone can be part of global trade today. You don't need a big office, you don't need a big team, and you don't need lakhs of rupees. You just need knowledge and willingness, exactly like my friend from Jaipur. Let's understand how export works with a simple example. Imagine you make wooden toys in Karnataka and someone in Dubai wants to buy 200 pieces. Step 1, you choose your product, your wooden toys. Step 2, you find a buyer, maybe through Instagram, an online marketplace, a trade fair, or your network. Step 3, you ship the goods and don't worry about logistics. A freight or courier company handles customs and paperwork for you. Step 4, you get paid safely through your bank in India. This entire process looks big from outside, but it is actually simple and systematic. Now let's take a quick import example. A small business owner in Ahmedabad wants to import fabric from Vietnam because it's cheaper and better quality. She doesn't travel anywhere. She finds a supplier online, places a small order, and the fabric reaches India through a freight company. She saves money and grows her business. That is import. In this series on KSP Knowledge Hub, I am going to teach you how to choose products that sell globally, where to find genuine buyers, how to understand export documents in simple language, how payments and banking work, how shipping and customs actually happen, and practical tips from my years of experience in international trade. My goal is to make you confident, even if you are starting from zero. If you are still watching, it means you are curious, and curiosity is the first step to becoming a global entrepreneur. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to KSP Knowledge Hub, and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. Thank you for watching. This is Kalpana Patel, and together, let's make global trade simple, powerful, and possible for everyone.